Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make beef stroganoff. To make this easy beef stroganoff, you're going to start by preparing all your ingredients. So I've got 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to go ahead and mince this into tiny pieces. Also, chop 1 small medium onion into tiny pieces and set aside. And once you're done dicing your onion, set this aside. Go ahead and slice 500 grams of sirloin steak into long strips like this. You can also use tenderloin steak. So I'm going to season this with a bit of salt and just a little pepper as well. Now go ahead and toss this to combine. Next, place a large pan on the stove top. To it, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. Allow the oil to heat up on high heat. Once the oil has heated, transfer the seasoned beef into the pan and stir. Let the beef cook in a single layer for a minute on each side and be careful not to stir this around. Just 1 minute later, flip the beef to the other side and cook for another 1 minute. Just after that, transfer the beef into a dish. This isn't cooked yet. You're going to continue cooking this later on. Add the second batch and do the same. Next, reduce your heat to medium high. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. Once the butter has melted, go in with the chopped onions. Saute onions for 2 minutes or until fragrant. After that, go in with 300 grams of thickly sliced mushrooms. I'm using canned mushroom. You can use freshly sliced mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms until they are golden brown while stirring this intermittently. Once your mushrooms are slightly brown and they have loosened up the water on their bodies, you can now go in with the minced garlic. Saute this for a minute or until fragrant. After that, go in with a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Stir this for a minute. The flour is going to help thicken the sauce. After cooking your flour for a minute, gradually add in 1 cup of beef broth. And then stir and allow the flour to loosen up. Once everything is nicely incorporated, add the remaining beef broth to it. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Once it starts to simmer, you can use hot water to melt your sour cream or just use a simmering sauce to melt this. This will prevent your sour cream from curdling in the sauce. And here goes in the sour cream. This is about 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Also add in 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir the sauce, and once it's nicely combined, reduce your heat to medium-low and bring your stroganoff sauce to a simmer. After 3 minutes of simmering the sauce on low heat, this will thicken up nicely, just like this. Now you're gonna go in with a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of mustard. This mustard adds lots of flavor to this stroganoff sauce. You can season with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and a pinch of salt, or just to taste. And just before we stir everything together, I love to bring in the seared beef together with the accumulated juice. Now let's gently stir this and let everything combine nicely. You can see this looks so creamy and it's really delicious. So we are going to cook this until the beef is heated through. So guys, after 5 to 8 minutes, I just give the sauce a stir. You can see the sauce is creamy and it smells so good. And once you're happy with the doneness of your beef, you can take off your beef stroganoff off from heat. Delicious and creamy beef stroganoff is ready. You can garnish this with some finely chopped chives or parsley. Beef stroganoff goes well with boiled rice, pasta, and mashed potatoes. Guys, I have my boiled rice right here with me, so I'm just going to serve this over the rice. This seems to be very creamy and delicious, and I hope you try out this simple and easy beef stroganoff at home. Let me know the ingredients you use for preparing your beef stroganoff in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, and you can share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Until next time guys, I'd love to see you soon. Bye.